Hey guys, so I'm going to be making another video, and today I'm going to be playing with slime. And later I'm going to be making another video. I might be getting my hair done today or tomorrow, so I'm going to put this back so you guys can see the slime. Okay, so you're not going to really be seeing my face because I'm going to be like putting my head all the way up so you guys can see the slime. And I'm back, and I still got the slime. So, yeah, and so this is the first slime. You want to be in the video?
Mom. Tastes creamy, so creamy.
Yeah.
Here she go.
Thank you.
Don't touch them.
Here we go.
What time is it? I'm like super late, ain't I? Probably. We'll turn all this shit off in here. Everything's on.
And so, go get Hershey Gold. Yeah.
Want to get copyright, maybe?
How? It's not a song.
Right.
Anyway,
You can't do that. That's a brand. Oh.
gosh. So, if you're allowed, so go get like candy or anything, like walk to a store, or like if you have any money, ask your mom or your dad, ask your parents, supervision, whatever, grandma, whatever, grandpa, I don't know. And then ask if you can, like if you like Hershey's, or if you like pretzels, or peanuts, go get this. It's good. Hershey Gold. It's good. Okay, back to the slime.